Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 56 Ford. Man, it is sweet too. It's got a 351 Windsor under the hood, 4-speed automatic trans, beautiful restoration. The hood actually tilts forward. We'll show you that a little later. All the chrome on the front end here is looking sweet. Chrome on the front bumper's looking great. Just everything about the truck is amazing. That paint is slick as can be. You can see the F100 emblems. They look like they're brand new. Got great looking wheels on the truck. Just a phenomenal paint job on this thing. It is slick as can be. And look at the custom interior in there. Beautiful. Tilt column, custom center console. All the paint work in there, brand new gauges. The upholstery's looking sweet. Headliner looks great. Wood steering wheel. Just an amazing ride here. Doors operate nice and smooth. It's got the extra wide rear fenders, accommodate all that rubber they got on the ground. Then they went with the stock chains here on the tailgate. And the tailgate does operate. All the chrome back here is looking sweet. You can see the oak floor in here. It's got a nice finish on it, looking good. We got the stainless steel rungs in here. You can see all the paint work in here, looks brand new. When you look down the side of the truck, just phenomenal body work. Gentleman who did a restoration on this is definitely a pro. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this Ford pickup truck. Right now we've got a little over 235 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We're bringing in anywhere between 40 and 50 new vehicles every month, and I'm in charge of picking out every one of those cars. And I've got about 35 years in the business, so I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in our 56 Ford now, and it is nasty outside, so we're not driving this baby in a nasty. But you know what? If it does get nice out, we will get it out and drive it. In here, we got tilt column, we got aftermarket gauges, everything looking sweet. It's even got an electronic prindle here. Air conditioning, aftermarket radio, great looking console. We even got a drink holder here. Electric windows, we got storage here, everything you need, guys. Now, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will let you know how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. If you need help with financing, he'll take care of all the paperwork for you. Just make that phone call. We'd love to have you come visit. Even though we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, please come on out and visit. Fly out. We're close to the airport. Drive out on a Saturday. We're open till 3. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this truck up in the air so you can check out the underside, so stick with us. All right, we're underneath this Ford pickup truck now, and it is pretty under here. You can see they've put the gas tank underneath here. It's got brand new exhaust on it. Rear fenders are fiberglass. They're extra wide. We got an 8.8 rear end, right around a 275 gear, and it is an open rear end. The brakes, the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got some Smithy style glass pack mufflers. Everything under here is nice and clean, nicely coated. You can see it looks like it's got a brand new fuel line running front to back. Running boards are steel and in good shape. Floor looks good under here. We got a crossover here, 4-speed automatic trans. It's got a Mopar front suspension here. They do have disc brakes up front. The guys will check all those out. These are actually a torsion bar setup here. We got a cooler mounted here underneath. Got good looking chrome on the front bumper. You can see they brought the paint right down to the bottom edge here, looking sweet. We got good looking wheels on it. These are some Kois. You can see those rotors in there looking good. Those are 225/50 17s and some great looking chrome, all nice and clean, and the wheel wells there. Running boards clean, nicely painted right down to the bottom edge. Like I said, bottom side of the running board's nice and solid, looking good. Out back here, we got more rubber. We got 255, 45, 18s in the back. We got drum brakes back there, and like I said, the guys will pull all those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Now let's get under the hood, see what's making the power. All right, under the hood here, we got Ford power. It's a 351 Windsor. It's got Mallory distributor there. It does have air conditioning on it. It's got jet-coated headers. It's got a Performer RPM aluminum intake with a 600 CFM Edelbrock carboner. It's got electric fan on that. Looks like the stock radiator. It does have power brakes. Firewall's nicely painted. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. It's got this tilt forward rear hood here. It operates real nice and easy. I'm going to show you how to shut it here. Just kind of goes backwards. It sits right down there on those two rollers, and you just push it back real easy. That's just how easy it goes. To open it up, you unlatch it, pull it forward, then tilt it right forward again. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You guys give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.